hear that. What do you hear? Like, can you hear that?
I think my mic is very noisy because I am sitting in my balcony, and my home is roadside. Right.
I see.
My sound is
What if
clear.
we are a couple? It is.
What? Sorry, what did you say?
Or take lyric. A couple over there. They are a couple,
Very
right?
noisy,
He's
like
actually always.
your mic.
Right. Oh, here?
No, no,
Here?
no. Yeah, you're like, are you outside something right now?
I'm so sorry. Nah. I'm
Oh,
not.
yeah, it's okay. Yeah,
Really?
and
Oh my god.
what are you doing right now?
Yeah. I'm so sorry, guys. All of you are from Bangladesh? Because I thought this girl from Bangladesh as well. Yeah. Apa kabar? Apa kabar? Apa kabar, sister? Apa kabar? Right?
Oh my god.
Baik, baik. Baik? Oh, okay, I'm also. তুমি কেমন আছো? Wow. One Indonesian girl. Then I said apa kabar. Then she said bhalo achi. Bhalo achi means I'm fine. I mean, I asking Indonesian language apa kabar, how are you? Then she answered given me Bangladeshi word. So it's truly cool. Yeah. I didn't disturb করলাম আয়শা চুপ কেন না 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 আমি খুঁজতেছি নিউজদেরকে নিউ কেউ কাউকে পাই কিনা পাচ্ছি না ইন্টার্ন করতেছে না এখানে ইন্টার্ন করতেছে তো না পন্ডিতে সো নিউ কাউকে খুঁজতেছে যে নিউ আসছে এরকম কাউকে খুঁজতেছে সো বাট এখানে কি নিউ কেউই নেই আনফরচুনেটলি কথা বলো ওর সাথে What is your name, sister? It's like too much difficult for us. For me. Yeah, Flam. Sorry. Repeat again. Flam. Flam. Okay. Yeah, Flam. Yeah, it's a bit difficult actually to pronounce, so that's why I put here. Okay. Are you living in Jakarta? I mean,